What's up, good people? Mark Holmes here, and as always, I appreciate you guys. So we're here actually for day number 2, where we're working on changing these railings up here with actually the metal, black metal with wire set up. Yesterday, Mike, working up in the attic, ended up putting in the new light fixture. I think looks fantastic. My buddy Jet changed the door. Now, because we had all these balusters that were here, we're going to have to sand this and then repaint this, which won't be bad. It'll be great to get that squared away. We're going to also, wasn't part of the job, but we're going to repaint this areaway here. And as you can see, cowboys, yeah. So that's why we're trying to do an extra special job. The door here, we changed that yesterday. We're going to go through, put new molding on here. It does need some compounding a little bit here, and we're going to touch up the paint on that as well. Change that and make it look real good. So that, and I got to be back for historic commission meeting tonight at 5:30. So we're getting our work started, and oh, we have to put an exhaust fan in the attic too, and it's 90 degrees at 10:30. So there's that. So let's get to it. So here's what we've done, or what we're doing is, because we had balusters that were in the top nose, is we're replacing this. This has we have a little piece of cord around. We've got our new nose that we're putting on here because we had balusters that were in here, screwed in, holes cut into it. It would end up looking kind of weird. So that's why we took this off completely. We've got a quarter round that'll go up underneath of this to make it look finished. And we'll be able to set, put some glue. Okay, so here we are. We've got our new bull nose for our steps here. I've had to cut it a little bit to make it work with what he has here. And I varnished this, pre-varnished this actually at home to bring it in so that I'll be able to go ahead and miter my piece that goes right here, and we'll end up putting some finish nails into it and glue on here. And then our newel post will be able to go right on top of this, and will give us our finished look, hopefully. So we're gonna have to kind of work this a little bit on the fly here because this isn't exactly how this system is made. But what's gonna happen is, we're going to end up, you have one that goes down the steps, so that's this one. So we actually had to notch this out so that way it'll fit in here real well. And then this one will actually overlap it. We need to get some washers to keep it true and balanced. But I think that's how it's going to end up being. So there'll be a post here, post in the middle, and a post on the end. And since there's no circle, I'm going to go ahead and get these walls spackled up so we can get that sanded and painted. And I'm going to paint this before we put the post on, so that way it'll be, we don't have to worry about trying to paint around the black, right? Okay. I'll lie to you, boy, this is one of the harder things I've ever had to do. So with this, we've had to notch this so we can get the post and get our points to line up for our railing. So yeah, this was not easy to say the least. So we've got this lined up to where it needs to be, so that way the wires will be parallel. And then we've had to cut off the other one up here. So Jet, you want to check and see how that looks? That's the one that goes in the notch. Yeah. That's the wrong one. Yes. No. Oh, I got you. Okay. So that one goes in the notch. We're going to have to shim that up, and that should be, you can see where our slot is right here, and it's the same on that one as well. So yeah, we've got that. And then we'll bolt this in till it's square. So coming up here. So that's how we'll get this. And then there's a cap piece, and then the railing goes up on it. Some crazy shit, I'll tell you. It's amazing what paint does. So you can see where we filled in all of this and how nice and smooth that gets. This is, of course, our new bullnose. We'll get that actually nailed down. It's glued, and put the quarter round back up on here. And once this paint dries, we can start to bolt down the railings and get those level. But we need to paint this first. We might just wait till tomorrow to do that, at least on the step part. We get the corner pieces and the other ones though.